Everyone has their unique way of consuming information. Some people like reading, other people like me like listening to things. In this video, I'm going to show you how to listen to any article online with just one click with Bardeen. Let's dive into it. Right here we have the futurism.com website in front of us. So let's open up an article over here, and then we have Bardeen extension installed, and the playbook or the automation is called the current page to speech. We're just going to click on this, and it's going to extract information from the page, and it's going to create an audio file. You can make it faster, you can slow it down, you can put it on hold, or you can download the file. So let's try to download the file. We can go to any other website. Let's go to New York Times, and here we'll be able to do exactly the same thing. Again, any article is going to work. So let's play it.
Ultra-wealthy donors have given $16 million to super PACs dedicated to the New York City mayor's race. Half of that money has gone to 3 moderate.
Pretty interesting. The next thing I want to show you is how to send this information to other places. For example, what we can do is we can upload the file to, say, our Google Drive, so that we can listen to the information on our phones. So let's upload file, and let's reference the file, the last file received, or we can reference all files, and then we can say to folder and pick a folder. We can create a folder from here. I can upload it to Zoom recordings or anywhere else. So let's run this, and the file is going to get uploaded. I can click on view, and it's going to open in Google Drive. I can do the same thing by sending the information to Slack. So let's do send file to Slack, and I'm going to send it to the demo bot using file and reference the file. I'm going to click on run this, and the same exact thing is going to happen. So here we can click on view channel, and here we have
the service employees
the recording. Lastly, I want to show you the behind the scenes of what's happening in the engine itself. So as a demo, let's go to gmail.com and let's go to an email. We can listen to an email by running the playbook, but this time I want to run the playbook from the compose mode, and it's going to break down these individual commands that we're seeing here. So the first command that we're running, we're extracting the HTML of the page, and then we're converting that HTML into a string of text, and then we're converting text into speech. So whatever input you create, for example, let's just copy this text over here, and then from here we can say, okay, let's get speech from text and paste the information over here. We can run this, and here is the audio file that was created. And then you can add additional commands like sending information or sending that recording to Slack, Drive, other places, just by sequencing the command here. So it's going to be do upload or do send file, and then you'll be able to save it as a playbook to make all of the actions run automatically. So for people who are visually impaired, this particular playbook is going to be a game changer. And this is exactly how you can turn any article into an audio file, so you can listen to it right away or listen to it in the future through Google Drive, your phone, or Slack. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, cheers.